guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, kita bakal buka Lucy's Builder Box from the Lego Movie 2. Aku bakal buka ini. Di sini ada Unica atau Unikitty. Gitu. See, this is Lucy, and here's the back. So let's open it. I am so excited. Got it. Whoa. We have to open the sides. Just So guys, sekarang ini udah dikebuka, ini selotipnya udah dibuka. So let's open it. Ini ada tulisan Lego. Wow. Ada dua bag, ada bag nomor 2, bag nomor 3. Ini berapa? Bag nomor 1 sama ada ini. So let's get building. Let's remove this. So here's the instruction. Yeah, this is builder box thing. So let's see. Here's how we used to do this. When you open it, we have to open the bag number 1. When we have to build it, and then we have to open the bag number 2, and then we have to build it again, and then open bag number 3. 3. And 3, not 3. Yeah, okay. See. Okay. Let's see. We're gonna build the people first. Okay. We're gonna open bag number 1. Bukan masalahnya. So guys, we're gonna start building with the bag number 1. We're gonna build the people, the motorcycle, and the ramp. I think it's a ramp. So here's the head, here's the body. Where's the leg? Oh, here it is. There's the leg. Where's the leg at? Oh, here's the hair. And here's the leg. So let's build this solo. And let's put this together. So this is how it looks like. See, this is how it looks like. It's a grumpy face, but I wanted a happy face because I'm always happy. So let's make the motorcycle, I guess. Let's see. Step 2. So guys, we're gonna make the motorcycle. So I don't know how to do this, but let me figure it out first, okay guys? Yes, what's this called? The tire. Maybe it's called the tire because I don't know. Maybe it's a tire. So guys, we're gonna put the what's this called? I forgot. The tire in the motorcycle. This is just too hard. Okay, there you go. Here's the motorcycle. Can she go on the motorcycle? Yes, she can. Ride that motorcycle, girl. Yeah, boom, muscle. Boom, boom, out. We're gonna put it there. We're gonna just put it. Can you stand? No, okay. I'm just gonna lay down. Okay. Now we're gonna make this, the ramp. Here's the bigger.
Tain mah.
So guys, this is the last part of the ramp. So we're just gonna put fire on it because I don't know, because she's a black girl. Okay, black girl needs fire in their life. Okay, if you got what I mean. If you know what I mean. And here's the ramp. So here's the motorcycle and the ramp. And here's the people. I'm gonna ride my, what's this? Motorcycle. Motorcycle. I'm gonna go to my ramp. Bam! So we're gonna start bag number 2, I guess. We're gonna open it. Of course we need to open it. If we're not gonna open it, we're not gonna build it. Okay? If you know what I mean. Put it in the box. I forget what it is called. Okay. I just said it. We need this. Of course. This thing is not hanging out. You know, if you know what I mean. Got that. And that. 4. 4 of 6 pieces. And we need the flat piece. Right, the flat piece here and here. Okay, perfect. Perfect. We're gonna put this here, put that there, put this here. Boom. Wait. Oh, my fingers are hurting. Let's see this, and then let's where is it? Here. Boom. Here. My favorite thing is you like my favorite things. I see it. Oh, okay. I want it. I got it. I want it. I got it. I want it. I got it. These things. Just bought it. I see it. I like it. I want it. I got it. By myself on my place. Gemsies. 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 The yellow blue. Yeah, there you go. Here's the concert thingy. I forgot what it calls. Okay. Stage. Let's see, what's this? These pieces. I forgot what they do. Yeah, so we're gonna put it in the middle and boom, boom, boom. So it's in the front of the center. In the center, I mean. Boom. Jadi ini dibongkar lagi dong. So guys, we're gonna open the bag number 3. Tray. Open. Really open. Okay. Woo! It's a lot of things. I think it's gonna be the hardest one because Oh, there's 2 survivors. Get away. Yeah, no care. Okay, so we're gonna build this thing because it's in the instructions. Okay, there's them all. Welcome to my wicked world. Wicked world. I'm rocking to the cool, rocking to the cool. I'm rocking like the kid, like the. So guys, we're done. So this is the pack number 3 that I built. And let's see if the people can take the next one. Yeah. Here's the people. And this is the number 2 pack. And the last one. Yeah. The people is a girl, so here's the motorcycle and the ramp and the people that I made in pack number 1. So what do you think, guys? Do you like it or not? So guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Bye! I'm gonna play this.